Assalamualaikum students, my name is Dr. Muhammad Saklan Zahi and today we will discuss agro-meteorology. First of all, what are the factors affecting on the crop production? There are two factors, some are external factors and some are internal factors. And internal factors are mostly genetics and heredity that affect on the crop production. And the external factors are climate, edaphic factors like soil factors, biotic factors like living organisms, and physiographic factors and human activities also the external factors that affect on crop production. First of all, what is agrometeorology? Meteorology, it is derived from a Greek word metro, means above the earth surface, and logy means science. It deals with the temperature, pressure, humidity, light, rain, and snowfall, wind, and storm. So, this is the agrometeorology. Next, what is weather? It is a state of the atmosphere with respect to wind, temperature, cloudiness, relative humidity, pressure, etc. at given time period. And what is climate? Climate is the aggregate of weather condition over a long period of time. And then climatic components like temperature, it is a climatic component. The heat produced by solar energy or sun is measured as a temperature. It is measured in calories and also in Fahrenheit grade. Importance of temperature for crop production. It is essential for the seed germination and harvesting. Optimum temperature for germination is about 15 to 30 degrees centigrade. After after plant function such as photosynthesis, it also affect on photosynthesis, respiration, cell wall, permeability, absorption of water, transpiration, and temperatures also affect on the microbial activities of the soil. And then winter crops react differently to the temperature change. Some winter crop required exposure to the low temperature for initiation of the flowering. And next is the humidity. The moisture content of the air are expressed in terms of humidity. We can notice it in percentage and we can measure this by the hygrometer. And what is the importance of humidity? Directly related to the transpiration of the plant, of affect the water requirement of the crop. Low humidity plant need more water to sustain growth. High humidity water loss by transpiration is very less. It also affect on the diseases and bacterial and fungal growth on the plant. Next is the wind storm. Wind or storm when cooler or heavier air move to the lower pressure zone, air current are produced with high velocity create storms. It expressed in kilometer per hour and we can measure it with the use of anemometer. This is the picture that can be seen, and this is the picture of anemometer. And next is the pressure. Force per unit area is expressed upon a surface is the air pressure. We can measure it with the Pascal, and the instrument that is used for the pressure measurement is barometer. And then importance of pressure for crop production, like atmospheric pressure affect the crop as it is related to the air movement. Low pressure reduce crop yield. It also cause the crop lodging, sandy area. It can affect on the soil and emerging seedling cover the roots exposed into the air, so it also if can affect the adversely on the crop. Soil erosion and pesticide application is also in the result of winds. Next is the precipitation and rain. When water vapors condense in the cold air, the liquid falls in the form of droplets called as rain or precipitation. It is measured in millimeters. And rain gauge, we can measure this by the use of rain gauge. And yeah, as rainfall is very important, that it is used for the water is essential for the plant growth, but the measurement of the precipitation is essential, as we can measure that how much water is present in our soil. It also affect on the fruit picking and harvesting, and heavy or very low rainfall also cause the diseases, and nutrient loss and soil erosion is also the result of different level of the precipitation. And rain regulates the soil and atmospheric temperature. Excessive rain create the problems for crop in many ways. It affect the harvesting of fruits, promote the diseases. And next is the light. In electromagnetic radiations that can produce a visual sensation, that is the light. We can measure it in lux, and Campbell instruments is used for this. And next is the classification of the climate. It can the Austrian geographer Waldsper Koppen recognized the five major climate as tropical, arid, humid, humid temperature, and polar. And then tropical climate, it's a high temperature, rainfall, humidity, and cloudy weather. It's, it is harsh due to the intensive heat, that is on tropical temperature. And arid, that is the evapotranspiration excess exceed the precipitation, that is the arid temperature. Such climate exist in desert like Thar and Thal area. Here is in this area a very high temperature mostly, and low rainfall with low humidity. And next is the humid mild temperature, characterized by the seasonal class seasonal changes in temperature. Pakistan has such type of the climate. There are two types of such climates are dry summer tropical, and hot dry summer and mild winter with rainfall. Cold snow winter. In humid temperature climate there is cold snow winter and mild summer. Most rainfall occur in summer. Mountains tops of Gilgit. This is the example of humid temperature. Next is a polar climate. This climate is present on the poles of the equator. Severe cold and snow throughout the year. There is not possible agriculture. It is not possible for the agriculture. So thank you. This is our presentation for the agrometeorology. Thank you very much.